What is a kingdom? The five kingdom system is a classification system used to group living organisms based on cellular structure, made of nutrition, and other characteristics. Two kingdom classification system proposed by Linnaeus in the 18th century, dividing living organisms into two kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia. This system was based on the presence or absence of a nucleus and the ability to remove. The two kingdom system was later replaced by multi kingdom classification system. Three kingdom classification system. The three kingdom classification system consists of Plantae, fungi, and Animalia. This system was proposed by Ernst Haeckel in the late 1800s. The three kingdom system has been largely replaced in modern taxonomy by the six kingdom or eight kingdom systems. Four kingdom classification system divides all living organisms into four kingdoms: Monera, Protista, fungi, and Animalia, based on differences in cell structure, nutrition, and reproduction. Monera contains unicellular organisms with prokaryotic cells. Five kingdom classification system. The five kingdom classification system includes Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. This system is based on cell structure, mode of nutrition, and body organization. This system was proposed by Robert Victor in 1969. 2 to 5 kingdom classification systems. The classification of living organisms into kingdoms is a way to categorize and organize the diversity of life on Earth based on their evolutionary relationships and shared characteristics. Historically, there have been different classification systems with varying numbers of kingdoms. Here I shall outline the two most common classification systems, the two kingdom and five kingdom systems, and a more modern and widely accepted system, the three domain system. For a comprehensive understanding of how we classify life, two kingdom classification system proposed by Carl Linnaeus in the 18th century. Carl Linnaeus proposed a classification system based on the organization of living into two main kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia. Plantae included all plants ranging from simple algae to complex flowering plants. Animalia, including all organisms, animals, from insects to mammals. Limitations: this system was simple but failed to account for the diversity and evolutionary relationships among various organisms. Five kingdom classification system proposed by Robert Victor in the mid 20th century. Robert Victor proposed a more comprehensive classification system considering the evolutionary relationships and cellular characteristics of organism. The five kingdoms are Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Monera consisted of prokaryotic organisms such as bacteria and cyanobacteria. Protistae, including unicellular eukaryotic organisms such as protozoans and algae. Fungi, compressed fungi, which are primarily multicellular eukaryotic and absorb nutrients from their environments. Plantae, encompassed multicellular prokaryotic prosynthetic organisms, including mosses, ferns, and flowering plants. Animalia included multicellular organisms that are heterotrophic and lack a cell wall. Limitations: these systems addressed some limitations of the two kingdom system but still had issue in accurately representing evolutionary relationships and genetic data. Three domain classification system proposed by Carl Woers in the late 20th century. Carl Woers proposed a more modern and widely accepted classification system based on molecular and genetic data. The three domains are bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. Bacteria includes true bacteria or prokaryotes with distinct cellular characteristics. Archaea comprises prokaryotic organisms that are distinct from bacteria and often inhabit extreme environments. Eukarya compasses all eukaryotic organisms, including plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Advantages reflects evolutionary relationships based on molecular and genetic data, provides a more accurate representation of the diversity and relationships among living organisms. The three domain system is correctly the most widely accepted classification system, has greatly contributed to our understanding of evolutionary relationships and the diversity of life on earth. Thank you for your interest in the diverse world of taxonomy. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching my video.